Hello friends, welcome back. Happy Sunday. Doesn't he look dapper? Jonah didn't waste time coming up from church. Well, neither did Boston. I gotta go change out of this monkey suit. I am ready for sweatpants.
Whatever, monkey suit. That looks actually comfy.
It is, but I want my sweatpants. All right, well, join me as I don't know, go about our day.
I'll shorten myself.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some stuff done for dinner. What else we're gonna? Oh, get ready for tomorrow. Laundry.
Gear.
Get ready for the week. Find out what games and practices we have this week with Jonah. Can't keep
situated the practices.
And it's Easter week. That's right. Lots to plan for the week.
And lots of testing at school.
Yeah, you've hit the month of testing. That sucks. So I don't know. Come along as we live our life today. Join us. Welcome to our home. Okay, I baked up some chicken. I'm gonna make some chicken orzo soup. Something just light and yummy tonight for Sunday dinner. Vegetables are sauteed up. I'm gonna put them in this bowl and then I'm gonna make a roux at the bottom of this pan. I just added all the seasonings. Now I'm adding in all the chicken. We're gonna get this to a boil and then I'll add the orzo. Good morning. It is Monday morning and I am planning in my planner for the week. And yeah, and so I have all my stickers from, you know, you guys know that I love the Create 365 Happy Planner stickers, and then I have a bunch of random stickers that I've got as gifts and from Etsy shops and things like that. So I am, instead of doing it down at my desk today, I'm doing it up at my table. You can hear the birds. I'm with Paige, and yeah, so I'm gonna get going and planning for the week. Okay, I planned out my week. Anything else I need to fill in, I'll just fill in as needed, and I'm done. Good morning, friends. And I just dropped Boston off at his tutor's, and I'm working on my cross stitch. And yeah, I'm making good progress. It's so relaxing and fun. I love it. Got a nice surprise this morning. I'm listening to YouTube while putting on my makeup, and I was watching my dear friend Samantha from Happily a Housewife, and she mentioned one of my videos in it. She's so great, you guys. She was a stay-at-home mom. Now she's back at work and juggling it all. I'll leave a link to her latest day in the life, well, it's a week in the life video that I watched today down below. I love that girl. Like, love her. I am just so thankful for this community to get to know people. She's amazing. And it's so funny because every time we talk, we're like, you know, we have some things in common, but honestly, like, her and I are so different. Like, I think a lot of our views are different, but yet we absolutely adore each other. I love it. I love it. So, alright, I'm gonna sit here and work on this, and then when I get home, I have a lot to do. Okay, I stopped off at Smith's to grab a few things. So I grabbed a Smithfield spiral ham. We like Smithfield. We're trying their brown sugar one. There's a purple package one that's like brown sugar and something. But we're going to do this one. And then I got a red onion, these beautiful tomatoes on the vine. I'm going to be making my lemon cake. I'll leave the link for you guys down below. I make this every year for Easter. So you're going to need a yellow cake mix, 2 packages of lemon jello, and then lemon pudding. And then Cool Whip, and I grabbed the Cool Whip. Mayonnaise, more for deviled eggs. Some egg dyeing kits for the kids. Lots of elbow macaroni. These were on sale for buy 6 and then you get the deal, so they were 49 cents a pound. I grabbed all elbow because this is for now through the summer for our macaroni salad and things. So and I use elbow macaroni for that. 2 boxes of rigatoni macaroni. This is what we do our lazy man lasagna in. Orzo was on sale for just $1 a box, so I grabbed another one. I don't need any right now, but because it's on sale, I want to shop my pantry and getting it on a sale price, so I grabbed that. This was interesting, the Snapware for deviled eggs, and so it fits 24 eggs, and look how small and compact it is. So this is going to be perfect. I have to take deviled eggs to quite a few parties, and I hate bringing the other trays that I have. They're just annoying, and so I'm really excited to try that out. We needed more ketchup. This was part of the sale. These were 99 cents a bag. Some goldfish, and then these were $1.79 with the sale. So I grabbed some of the Capri Suns, and those will just go down in the food room. And then for Shaylee for Easter, got her a birdhouse activity kit. That will be super fun. So, and that is my Smith's haul. Alright, I just stripped the sheets off my bed, and I'm gonna get these in the wash. But I gotta spray these because some children snuck in my room and watched TV, and Shaylee got what looks like Cheeto hand on my sheet, and then she was writing in her notebook, and I have pen on my sheet. Fantastic. Working on that, and then I will make my bed. I have sheets ready to go to put on them, and we'll make my bed. So exciting! So that macaroni salad I was telling you about, I'm working on right now. I thought, ooh, that sounds really good for dinner with our steak. So I just cooked up the elbow macaroni and rinsed it under cold water and let it cool. For this, I use Miracle Whip, not mayo. I grew up eating this salad with Miracle Whip, and to me, it tastes completely different if it's not Miracle Whip. So I have Miracle Whip, green pepper, celery, and that red onion. And I don't have measurements for this, I just eyeball everything. And you're gonna need a can of tuna fish. I forgot about that. So take a can of tuna, drain it, and then you'll add it in here. And all these veggies are diced sized. All right, I'm gonna start off with half of that pepper. All right, I'm just draining my tuna fish, adding it in. All right, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. This I eyeball as well. And then you're gonna, once this is all mixed, you're gonna stick it in the fridge. And then check it before you serve it. You might need more Miracle Whip because, of course, the pasta soaks it all in. And I've made this with mayo as well, but I personally like it with what I grew up with Miracle Whip. This is a lot of macaroni salad. 1 pound is a lot. But I love the leftovers, and this will go for a couple of meals. I love having this with burgers and hot dogs and grilled chicken. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just added a little more Miracle Whip, some more salt. I'm gonna get this in the refrigerator so it can chill. And it's gonna be so yummy. So Derek laid tape on the floor because I was so tired of Paige coming into the kitchen. I've been tripping over her while cooking and being in there, that he put this tape up and only had to squirt her with the water bottle, what, once? And she caught on. She knows now that she can't cross this line. She's so smart. You caught on within a minute, pup. Now she's sad. I can't be near Mom. There's a line drawn. All right, on our Optic Grill, I'm just grilling up some steak. These are for Derek and Jonah. I'm not going to do anything with them. I'm going to get them back in the fridge. I have some tenderloins on here for the little kids and I. And so they could season these up. They're out right now. They went to go get the truck from his dad, so we can load it up. We're doing a dump run, cleaning out some spaces and getting rid of some stuff. So so I have that in there. Ooh, it smells so good. Yum. So the oatmeal raisin cookies and the oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, I'm going to make a video for you. That way, if people refer back to it, I have its own video. It'll be a very short video, but so I'm working on that. But they're seriously the best cookie. Okay, so here's the cookie. This one is the oatmeal raisin. Oh, what I love about my mom's recipe is that it's chewy on the inside but completely crunchy on the outside. And I remember sneaking some oatmeal raisin cookies from my mom. I remember, I don't even know how old I was in Feetsy Jammies, like the kind that like button around the waist. Like it was like a 2-piece Feetsy Jammy, and I can't remember if I couldn't have any more cookies or if I couldn't have cookies because it was bedtime and they were for the next day. I don't remember. I just knew, like, woman, I love your oatmeal raisin cookies and there's no way I'm not going to bed without getting one. So I remember stuffing, I'm not even sure how many, into the legs of my jammies oatmeal raisin cookies. And I walked to my bed full of crummy cookie jammies. Like, I was determined to have my cookies. I was like, whatever, Ma, I'm having a cookie. And so these are my favorite. And so sometimes the kids like them, sometimes they just don't. And I will take the batch, half it, and do half raisin and half chocolate. So these are the best. So I'm excited to share that with you. All right, I'm gonna get a salad going, and we have the pasta salad, a green salad, and steak. So all right, I'm gonna feed the kids and start on the night routine. So thank you so much for joining me this week, just seeing snippets of my week. I hope you guys are doing awesome, and we will see you soon. Bye.
Are you okay? Are you sad? You sad you can't come in the kitchen with me? It's okay. It's okay.
You get a pinch, like that. Like that. Go on, so that.